ship. The gunners to the Vulcan, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speaking bids profit.
I'm not the first order. I won't tell anyone. Don't worry about it.
My friends, see you in the cockpit.
If Hondo sends, let's see what it can do. I'm the one's crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, Gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the home beacons. Didn't work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant. Let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to lightspeed. Here's our bounty. Zero the traffic. Switching to ion cannons.
Hello, engineers. Remember, more crates means more credits.
They're working on it, Hondo. After them. We'll robbing from on the other side. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ship's incoming. Creep with the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. Republic excellence.
Clear a path.
Copy that, leader.
Look out. Hit the boosters. Right pipe. We took the light speed.
So much.
Your hyperdrive failed. Watch out. We're nearing the end of the belt. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
You brought me back crates. Excellent